I follow the sales process, Matt, like unbelievable. I'm slowing down. I'm pausing. I'm doing my gesture language. I'm thinking that trying to find the words.
Mm-hmm.
But I gotta tell you, with all that, tonality and delivery still are obstacles.
I wouldn't worry about it too much because at the end of the day, you're beating yourself up a little bit and saying tonality and delivery are still obstacles. Do the best that you can because most of your competition, they're not even working, right? So at the end of the day, if you're 60% of what you think is great, which by the way, if you think you're 60%, you're probably more like 80 or 90. Just do the work, make the dials, put in the reps. You'll find your voice along the way, but please don't get discouraged and don't think it's something that you're doing. Some of the time, it's just the market. Some of the time, it's just the luck of the draw and things don't go well. I'm just saying from an outside, because I see all the stuff that you're doing on LinkedIn and everything, you're doing great, Ellis. And I think your tonality is just fine. You're conscious of the fact that you're trying to get better, but don't beat yourself up on it.
Yeah, well, going through the portal, I have to say this for everybody here. You're not an amazing sales trainer only. You're an amazing life coach.
Thank you.
I really appreciate that content. It's genius.
Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini master class. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're gonna get access to the class. It's gonna show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.